First we locate the lever inside the car under the dashboard. Okay, left hand door well, bright red lever. So above the badge, come up to the gap, get my fingers underneath. If you look in the gap, you can see the yellow lever. And my middle finger's there on either side. Push it to the middle and lift. Here's the mechanism we're looking for. That's what your fingers are trying to do. The bonnet struts here. Just goes into this notch here. Just goes into that notch there. Take it out. So you check all your levels. Do whatever maintenance you need to do. You put everything back, put the caps back up. And the official way to shut it is to drop it from about 9 inches or 20 centimeters. It's quite a heavy bonnet, so that will shut well. And you heard that resounding clack. I can't move that. Double check, I can't move that, it's fully shut.